Hello, my amazing friends. Today I'm here to tell you how to express happiness that will change your life. Listen to me carefully. Happiness is not difficult. Happiness is not impossible. You can express happiness freely. And you can do it more naturally than you think. I know many of you feel hesitant when you try to show your joy. You hold back, you hide your smile, and sometimes you don't even celebrate because you are afraid of what others might think. Maybe you have been keeping your feelings inside for years. But when the time comes to express joy, you feel like you should stay quiet. You feel happy inside. You understand the emotion. But when you want to show it, you freeze. I understand this because I've also struggled with expressing my emotions. I know how it feels when you want to celebrate something but you don't know how to show it. I know how frustrating it is when other people express happiness so easily, and you can't understand why it feels so hard for you. But today I want to tell you you don't have to hold back anymore. You don't have to hide your joy, because I will teach you how to express happiness in the easiest and most natural way. From today, I want you to forget everything that made you suppress your emotions. Forget about staying quiet. Forget about being serious all the time. Forget about fear. Because the biggest reason people fail to express happiness is not a lack of joy. It is fear. Fear of judgment, fear of seeming childish, fear of standing out. But let me ask you a question. How did you express happiness as a child? Did you think about it? Did you plan how to smile? No, you laughed freely, you jumped with excitement. You showed your feelings without any hesitation. This is exactly how you should express happiness now. You don't need to hide your emotion. You need to celebrate them. Happiness should not be something you keep inside. It should be something you share with the world. You should feel it, express it, and spread it every single day. Now I know what you are thinking, but how do I do that? Don't worry, I will tell you everything in detail. I will not just give you tips. I will take you on a journey where expressing happiness will become easy and natural for you, so let's begin. The first and most important thing is to change your mindset. If you believe that expressing happiness makes you look silly, your brain will always stop you. But if you start believing that showing joy is beautiful, you will express it much more freely. Think about a baby who sees something exciting. The baby laughs loudly. Does he worry about what others think? No, he just feels the joy and shows it immediately. And everyone around him smiles too. This is exactly how expressing happiness works. Joy is meant to be shared. If you are not expressing happiness, you are missing the best part of life. I want you to say this with me. It's okay to be happy. It's okay to show my joy. I deserve to celebrate my life. These words are very powerful. The more you say them, the more your brain will believe them. From today, never say I shouldn't be too happy. Never say I need to stay calm all the time. Instead, say I allow myself to feel and express joy freely. This small change in your thinking will make a big difference in your life. Now that you have changed your mindset, the next step is to bring joyful expression into your daily life. Many people think they need a special reason to be happy. But this is not true. You can find happiness in small moments every single day. The first thing you should do is notice the good things around you. Every time something nice happens, acknowledge it out loud. This will help your brain recognize joy more easily. Next, you should start expressing happiness in simple ways. Right now, you probably feel happy inside but don't show it. This makes happiness fade quickly. Instead, start expressing it immediately. For example, when you wake up to sunshine, say out loud, "What a beautiful morning, I love this sunshine." When you drink your favorite tea, say, "This tastes so good, I'm enjoying this moment." When someone makes you smile, say, "That made me so happy, thank you." At first, it will feel strange, but the more you do it, the more natural it will become. After some time, expressing happiness will start coming to you automatically. Another great way to express happiness is through your body language. Yes, you heard me right. Let your body show your joy. Smile widely. Don't hold back your laughter. Clap your hands when something excites you. Jump a little when you get good news. Dance when you hear a song you love. This might feel silly at first, but trust me, it is one of the best ways to multiply your happiness. When you express joy physically, you actually feel more joy inside. And the more you express, the happier you become. Another simple but powerful method is celebrating small victories. Take every opportunity to acknowledge good things. Did you finish a task? Say, "Yes, I did it." Did someone compliment you? Say, "Thank you, that makes me so happy." Did you have a good meal? Say, "That was delicious, I feel so satisfied." Every time you express these feelings, you train your brain to notice more happiness. For example, if you cook dinner, say, "I made this food, it turned out great, I'm proud of myself." If you helped someone, say, "I'm so glad I could help," that feels wonderful. By doing this, you will train your brain to celebrate life automatically. Many people believe that they should control their happiness. They think expressing too much joy is inappropriate. This is a big mistake. If you hold back your happiness, you will start feeling less alive. Instead, you should express your joy freely and celebrate openly. Think about how children celebrate. They don't worry about looking silly. They just feel the happiness and show it naturally. And slowly, their joy spreads to everyone around them. This is exactly how you should express yourself. Instead of hiding your emotions, focus on expressing them honestly. For example, instead of thinking, "I shouldn't laugh too loud," just laugh naturally. Instead of thinking, "I should stay calm," just show your excitement. If you keep expressing happiness honestly, people around you will feel happier too. The key is to express more and worry less. Express even when you feel self-conscious. When you feel joy, don't hide it, embrace it, say it out loud. Now that you understand how to change your mindset, surround yourself with positivity and express freely, let's go even deeper. Now I'm going to show you how to express happiness in your everyday situations. Many people feel happy inside but struggle to show it. They don't know what to say or how to express it. But let me tell you something, you already know how to be happy. You just need to let it out. Think about your daily routine. You wake up, brush your teeth, have breakfast. Talk to your family, go outside, meet people, experience moments, and at night you rest. Every single thing you do in your life can be an opportunity to express happiness. If you practice expressing happiness in daily life, joy will become easy and natural. So let's start with simple expressions that you can use every day. Morning happiness expression. When you wake up, don't just start your day silently. Start expressing happiness immediately. For example, as soon as you wake up, you can say, "Good morning, I slept so well. What a wonderful day this will be." When you look outside, say, "The sky looks beautiful today. I love mornings like this." When you have breakfast, say, "This breakfast is perfect. I'm so grateful for this food." Even if you are alone, say these things out loud. The more you express, the more happiness you will feel. Now let's move on to a real conversation. Imagine you are talking to your family member in the morning. This is how the conversation can go. "Good morning, how are you feeling today?" "I'm feeling great, I'm so happy to see you." "That's wonderful, what are your plans for today?" "I'm going to work, but I'm excited, I have some interesting tasks." "That sounds amazing, I hope you have a fantastic day." "Thank you so much, that makes me really happy." This is a simple, natural conversation where you express happiness freely. You don't need complicated words, just keep it simple and genuine. When you go outside, there are many moments to express joy. For example, if you see a beautiful flower, say, "Wow, that flower is gorgeous. It makes me so happy to see it." If the weather is nice, say, "What perfect weather. I feel so alive today." If you meet a friend, say, "I'm so happy to see you. You made my day." When you're in a store and find what you need, you can say, "Perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. I'm so pleased." If someone helps you, say, "Thank you so much. You just made my day. I really appreciate your help." This is how real happiness sounds. When you express it openly like this, you will never feel uncomfortable showing joy in real life. Sharing happiness with friends. When you meet your friend, here's how you can express happiness naturally. "Hey, I'm so glad to see you. How have you been?" "I've been great, and seeing you makes me even happier." "That's so sweet. I feel the same way. What have you been up to?" "I finished a project I was working on. I'm really proud of it." "That's amazing. You should be proud. I'm happy for you." "Thank you. Your support means so much to me." If you go to a cafe with your friend, you can express happiness like this. "I'm so excited. I've been wanting to try this place." "Me too. This is going to be fun. Look at this menu. Everything looks delicious. I'm already happy. I know, I can't wait to order." When the food arrives, say, "Oh wow, this looks incredible. I'm so happy we came here." This natural expression of joy makes every moment better. Evening happiness expression. At night when you relax, you can still express happiness. If you are with your family, you can have a conversation like this. "Today was such a good day. I'm feeling really grateful." "That's wonderful. What made you happy today?" "So many things. The weather was nice. I had a good conversation with a friend, and this dinner is delicious." "I'm so glad you had a great day. That makes me happy too." "Thank you for this meal. I'm really enjoying it." "You're welcome. I'm happy you like it." Before sleeping, you can also express gratitude and happiness. For example, today was beautiful. I'm thankful for all the good moments. Tomorrow will be even better. I'm excited for what's coming. Good night. Now let me tell you one of the most powerful secrets to feeling more happiness. Express it with words. When you feel happy, don't just think it. Say it out loud. Use clear language. This will multiply your joy. For example, if you feel grateful, don't just think, I'm grateful. Say out loud, I'm so grateful for this moment. This makes me really happy. If something excites you, say, this is so exciting. I feel amazing right now. If you appreciate someone, say, you're wonderful. I'm so happy to know you. Repeat these expressions often. Do this every day, and your happiness and joy will increase naturally. Now that you know how to use happiness expressions in daily life, let's take your emotional expression to the next level. Many people feel happiness inside, but they struggle to show it fully. Their expression seems flat, or they feel awkward celebrating. But let me tell you something important. Even if you're not perfect at it, you can still express happiness authentically. Today I will show you how to express different types of happiness, how to sound genuine, and how to share joy with confidence. If you follow what I tell you, you will never feel shy or uncomfortable expressing happiness again. Let's talk about something important. Happiness has many forms. Each one can be expressed differently. Here are the main types. 1. Contentment. This is calm, peaceful happiness. You feel satisfied with life. 2. Excitement. This is high-energy happiness. You feel thrilled and eager. 3. Gratitude. This is thankful happiness. You appreciate what you have. 4. Pride. This is accomplishment-based happiness. You feel good about what you achieved. 5. Joy. This is pure, spontaneous happiness. You feel light and free. Does this make sense? If yes, then let me show you how to express each type. When you feel peaceful and satisfied, use calm, steady expression. For example, I feel so peaceful right now. Everything is just right. I'm really content with how things are going. Life feels good. This moment is perfect. I don't need anything else. Notice these expressions are gentle, not loud or dramatic, just honest and calm. When you feel thrilled and energetic, let your voice show it. For example, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. This is incredible. Yes, this is exactly what I hoped for. I'm thrilled. These expressions are louder, more animated, full of energy. That's how excitement sounds when you feel thankful. Acknowledge others and show appreciation. For example, I'm so grateful for this. Thank you so much. This means the world to me. I really appreciate it. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but I'm so thankful. These expressions recognize others. They share the happiness instead of keeping it inside. When you accomplish something, own your success. For example, I worked really hard for this, and I'm proud of myself. I did it. I actually did it. I'm so happy. This turned out even better than I expected. I'm really pleased. These expressions celebrate your achievement without being arrogant, just honest pride. When you feel spontaneous happiness, just let it out. For example, this is wonderful. I feel so happy right now. I love this. This is the best. Haha, this is making me so joyful. I can't stop smiling. These expressions are free and natural, no overthinking, just pure feeling. Even if you understand different types of happiness, many people still feel shy expressing them. So how can you become confident? 1. Practice alone first. Before expressing happiness with others, practice by yourself. Stand in front of a mirror, pretend something good happened, and express your happiness out loud. For example, pretend you got good news. Say, oh wow, this is amazing. I'm so happy. I can't believe it. Watch yourself in the mirror. See your smile. Hear your voice. This practice builds confidence without pressure. 2. Start with small expression. You don't need to be dramatic right away. Start small. When something small makes you happy, express it simply. For example, this coffee is really good. I'm enjoying this. That joke was funny. It made me smile. As you get comfortable, your expressions will become bigger naturally. 3. Share happiness with safe people first. Choose people who support you, family members who love you, close friends who understand you. Express your happiness with them first. They will encourage you, and that will build your confidence. 4. Remember that genuine beats perfect. You don't need perfect words. You don't need dramatic gesture. You just need to be genuine. Honest expression is always beautiful, even if it's simple. 5. Celebrate others' happiness too. When someone else is happy, celebrate with them. Say, that's wonderful. I'm so happy for you. You deserve this. I'm thrilled for you. When you practice celebrating others, expressing your own happiness becomes easier. If you want to transform how you express happiness, I challenge you to do this every single day for 30 days. Morning, say 3 things you're grateful for out loud. Smile at yourself in the mirror. Express 1 happy thought before leaving home. Throughout the day, share your happiness with at least 1 person. Use clear words to express good feelings. Notice and acknowledge 3 positive moments. Evening, tell someone about one thing that made you happy today. Write down 3 happy moments from your day. Say out loud, "Today was good, I'm grateful." If you follow this plan every day, expressing happiness will become automatic. Let me tell you some mistakes people make when expressing happiness. Mistake 1, apologizing for being happy. Never say, "Sorry, I'm just really excited about this." Your happiness doesn't need an apology. Just say, "I'm really excited about this." Mistake 2, downplaying your joy. Don't say, "It's not a big deal, but I'm kind of happy." If you're happy, own it. Say, "I'm really happy about this." Mistake 3, waiting for permission. You don't need anyone's permission to be happy. Express it when you feel it. Mistake 4, comparing your happiness. Don't say, "I know this isn't as important as your news, but..." Your happiness matters. Express it fully. My amazing friends, you have now learned everything you need to express happiness freely and naturally. Let me remind you of something very powerful. Happiness is meant to be shared. The only thing stopping you is fear and hesitation. But now you know how to overcome both. If you want to live a fulfilling life, expressing happiness will transform your experience. It will improve your relationships, lift your mood, inspire others, and make every day brighter. But most importantly, it will help you feel more alive and authentic. So never stop expressing your joy, even if some people don't understand, even if it feels awkward at first. Never give up on showing your true feelings. You have everything you need inside you already. Now it's time to go and practice. Feel happiness, express it clearly, share it generously every single day. And remember, perfection doesn't matter, authenticity matters. This is not the end. This is the beginning of your joyful expression journey. Keep feeling, keep sharing, keep celebrating, and one day expressing happiness will be as natural as breathing. Let's do this together. I am with you on this journey, and I will always support you. Now go out there and start feeling, expressing, and spreading happiness everywhere you go. You can do it.